about our topic named Edu-fund portal. It contains the content pages, introduction, objectives, problem statement, system design, conclusion, and finally the output. Now I am here to explain about the introduction of our topic Edu-fund portal. The Edu-fund portal is a comprehensive web-based scholarship management system designed to bridge the gap between students seeking the financial assistance and organizing offering educational scholarships. This digital platform streamlines the entire scholarship application process, making it accessible, transparent, and efficient for both applicants and administrations. This EduFund portal is a web-based platform helps to manage the scholarships. It is useful for students to for financial support of their education. It helps to connect the students with the organizations that offer the scholarships. Next time, I will explain about the objectives. First, the scalability. Scalability supports the multiple concurrent users and applications. It tells about that our app can used by many multiple concurrent users without any clashes. Next, security ensures the data protection and secure access control. It tells about the security where data can be stored safely without any losing of the data. Reliability maintains system uptime and data integrity. It tells about the reliable of our EduFund portal, which maintains the data safely without losing them anywhere. User experience provide responsive and accessible interface. It tells that the experience of user, which is both easy for the user and the admin for the scholarship. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, I am Samichan. I am here to explain about the problem statement of our project. First, no centralized system. Lack of unified platforms for scholarship management. It means there is a lot of platforms for applying scholarship like SSB scholarship and etc. etc. There are lack of fields for that. So in our system, they all can access. The student can access that all scholarships in only one website. It will help for students for our program. Next, data security concerns. In physical documents, are risk for being lost by an unauthorized access. Means if the student will provide his physical documents, then it is a risk of losing his personal details like his Aadhaar card number, his contact details, and his address, etc. So we only use that the student might have them sort by data. Next, limited analysis. Difficulty in tracking applications trends to success rates. It means there are lack of students who can apply the scholarship. It is little bit difficulty to access them and tracking them for viewing how many people are having take the scholarship and etc. And resources interactive. High administrative cost and human resource requirements. It means it can need a more human efforts to access that all things that who has been access it for their scholarships, and you want to check that it either is provided valid documents or not. So it takes many more human efforts. And that let's go for next step. This is system design. In this we have used in front end. We have used HTML codes and CSS codes and JavaScript, so that it can be easy. The HTML codes we have used for the website building, and CSS we have been taken for like animations and all. In backend we have used Python Fast frameworks. It is also one of the coding language. And in styling we have used custom CSS with respective designs. Whether you see the output of our project, you can notice that how much CSS is importance in website for giving an attractive interference for student user flow. Here we can see that in this is registration form. When the student it is student only. When a student can open our website, first he can go for a registration course that it will appear here, and later it will go to the login page. After registration, he want to log in his with his some mail ID or passwords. Later he browses scholarship. Means there are a lack of scholarships like SSB scholarships and some SC scholarships and some backward scholarships, etc. That all things he can give that which scholarship does his preferences here. Then he used for application. Then For his after applying, he can get a notice like your task has been completed and we have received your data. That interface will come. Later, the admin journey. Here, the admin want to first log in his page. Later, he will leave the application. The application have been sent by a student. Now, that application he want to see that. Later, that he will review that. Either the documents are correct or wrong, he will check there. Either it will be wrong in next step, approve or reject. He will is that all documents will be correct, then he will approve that and he will generate the reports. Otherwise, if there is a single errors in that, he will dispatch, means he will directly reject that, and he will kick out that student from that, and later in final there will generate operates and generate reports, and then the student can access the scholarship. Thank you. Start.
Hello everyone, my name is J.S. Ramat and I am going to explain the code and output of our project. This is a index.html, like HTML code, and this is a style.css, this is a style of this code, and this is a app.py, like a Python code for using a backend. Now we run the Python code, then we follow through this link. We run the Python code, then follow this link. This is the output of our education portal, Edu-fund portal. This is the interface of scholarship. Now explore the scholarships. This is available scholarships. Now I can apply for Merit Scholarship 2024. When click the apply now button, they have to create a new account. Now I create an account for apply this scholarship. This is full name. The username I give as it is. Then I will give password 000. The registration I will completed. Now I am going to login. The username I entered and the password will 000. Now student will login successfully, and now apply the scholarship. Apply now. This is a scholarship form. Entering full name, email ID, phone number and address, and date of birth. Category we select general, and this is the annual family income, and this is the bank details, and now this is the upload documents. When you submit the application, this shows the student dashboard. The scholarship status will be pending. Now we log in as a admin. The admin login is required to username and password. The user is and the password is admin 123. Login as admin. The admin is logging successfully. This is the application details. The administrator wish to approve or reject with the application. When we approve this application, the application will be approved successfully. Now we log in again as a student. This is the username and the password. Then login. The login is successful. The student dashboard is open. The application status will be approved. Thank you.
Start. Hello everyone, my name is Giridhar. Now I am going to explain about the system design of our project, and I am going to explain about the backend components. It contains Flask application structure. It has the components like route handlers, session management, application service, response generation. Flask application structure. Flask means it is a Python function where we use the Flask to store the backend data, and route handlers, URL routing and request processing. URL routing means when we run the code, a link will be displayed in the output. When we click on the link, the output will be displayed. Next, request processing. The given request will be processed in this route handlers. Session management, user authentication and session handling. User authentication means it provides it provides security for the data given by the student, like his name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, address, and other details of the student. And session handling means when student is interacting with the website, it will give the security for the data when the student and website is interacting each other. Next, application service. Scholarship application processing means the student will give his data like his name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, father name, mother name, address, and other details. The scholarship application will be in the processing form as long as the admin will accept or reject the application form. Next, response generation, JSON and HTML response formatting. JSON means it is a JavaScript object notation. It is used to link between front end and back end. Means it is the communication between the server and client. It will transfer the data between front end and back end. We used to link each other. Next, HTML response formatting. HTML response formatting means the data given in the front end, it will be stored in the back end. Then by HTML response formatting, the stored data in the back end will be displayed in the front end. Now I am going to explain our conclusion part of our project. The Edu-fund portal is a big step towards making scholarship management easier and better. Means our website provides very easy for the students to apply for scholarship. It uses modern technology and design to be simple and user friendly. Means we have used modern technology and advanced technology to make the students very easy to apply for the scholarship. This system not only fixes current problem but also helps to build a better way to manage financial help for students in the future. Means our website will provide the scholarship for the students to study in their for education in the future for higher studies also. As we move towards increasing digital future, platform like Edu-fund port will become an essential tools in making education more accessible and affordable for deserving students. Means from our website, the students who are not capable in the financial, we will provide them finance help. Then the education will become more accessible for the students and affordable for the deserving students. Thank you.